Despite common misconceptions, social media marketing isn't overly complex, and nor it is a casual undertaking. After immersing myself into social media marketing for decades and exploring various platforms such as blogs, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram, I have crafted a structured step-by-step process that you can apply to your social media marketing endeavors. Adhering to the old age wisdom that plans are nothing and plans is everything. Having a solid social media marketing plan is very crucial. Without it, your attempts to leverage the potential of social media networks might end up being futile. Establishing a well-organized and comprehensive social media marketing planning process significantly boosts your chances of success in this dynamic and evolving field. So what are the steps that you should take to thrive in the social media marketing? And where should you start? We will explore all this in today's video. But before we move on and learn more about it, I request you guys that do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for future updates. Just a quick info guys, if you are aspiring to become a digital marketer, then Simplilearn has got you covered. Simplilearn has got postgraduate program in digital marketing in collaboration with Purdue University. You can become a certified digital marketer from Purdue University. You will learn to create and promote your own website via live interactive learning. You will master basic and advanced digital marketing skills via student simulation. Plus, there will be 10 plus case studies and 20 plus projects like ChatGPT and other AI tools. And also, we will discuss 35 plus DM tools. Hurry up and join now. The course link is mentioned in the description box. So guys, let us discuss the social media marketing roadmap. The first thing is to identify a marketing problem. So guys, identifying market problem is a foundational step in devising an effective social media marketing strategy. It involves a comprehensive evaluation of various aspects that may hinder your business growth. Addressing these issues strategically can pave the way for successful social media campaigns. Firstly, consider the challenge of inadequate brand awareness and publicity. If your target audience is not familiar with your brand, it's crucial to focus efforts on increasingly visibility through engaging content and targeted campaigns. Next is the declining sales from traditional channel signals that need a shift in marketing approach. Embrace social media platforms to reach a wider audience and explore new avenues for sales. If I talk about the third one, a decline in fresh leads also demands a reassessment of lead generation strategies so that you have to utilize social media expansive reach to attract and convert potential customers. If rising operating costs are affecting profitability, social media can offer cost-effective marketing solutions. Leveraging these platforms can optimize resource allocation and enhance overall efficiency. Customers' defection due to poor service also highlights the importance of using social media as a customer service tool. Address concerns promptly and showcase positive experiences to build loyalty. Lastly, if your content isn't generating desired engagement, refine your strategy. Analyze audience preferences, experiment with content formats, and encourage interaction to increase shares and engagement. By pinpointing these challenges, you can tailor your social media efforts to address specific needs, ensuring a more targeted and impactful marketing strategy. Now let us move on to our next one, which is setting up social media marketing objectives or goals. In the realm of social media marketing, setting clear goals, defining objectives, and establishing measurable metrics are crucial components of a strategic approach. Let's delve into each aspect. The first one that is coming into my mind is goals. Goals are broad and overachieving statements that articulate when you aim to achieve through your social media efforts. For example, increasing brand awareness online. This goal provides a general direction indicating a desire to enhance the visibility and recognition of your brand within the online space. It sets the tone for your social media strategy but lacks the specificity needed for direct measurement. Now let us move on to the next one, which is objectives. Objectives are specific, measurable, and time-bound milestones desired to achieve a broader goal. For example, increase the number of new fans on social media platforms by 20% within the next quarter, or boost post engagement by 15% over the next 6 months, or achieve a 25% growth in the web traffic from social media channels in the next year. These were the certain examples which showcases what are your objectives. Objectives break down the broader goal into actionable and measurable components. They provide a roadmap for achieving the overachieving goal of increased brand awareness, offering clear targets and timelines. The next and the most important one is metrics. Metrics are quantifiable parameters used to measure the performance and success of your social media efforts. For example, the number of new fans or followers. What is the post engagement rate or growth percentage in the web traffic? Metrics are specific data points that help assess progress towards objectives. They provide tangible, numerical evidence of a social media performance. For the goal of increasing brand awareness, the chosen metrics should align with the defined objectives, such as tracking the increase in followers, engagement rates, and website traffic originating from social platforms. By aligning goals, objectives, and metrics, businesses create a structured framework that not only guides their social media activities but also enables a systematic evaluation of success or areas that may need adjustment. This disciplined approach enhances the effectiveness of social media marketing efforts and contributes to the overall success of the digital strategy. Now let us move on to our next one, which is very important. That is conducting social media audit and analysis. Once you have established your social media marketing destination, it's imperative to assess your current position. Akin to determine your standing point before embarking on a journey, this evaluation process often is concurrent with setting objectives, is analogous to recognizing that attempting to reach the moon is futile if your flying machine can even take off. So what are the areas where you can perform audit and analysis? So guys, let us discuss each one of them one by one. The first one is evaluating your current social media presence. Assess the strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, which is SWOT, of your existing social media engagement. Understand the current state of your online presence to identify areas for improvement. Next is analyzing competitor strategies. Investigate social media tactics and performance of your competitors. Identify potential gaps or weaknesses in their approach so that you can capitalize on. The third one is understanding your audience and their journeys. Study your customers, exploring demographics, psychographics, online behaviors, and historical preferences. Map out customer journeys through stages like awareness, interest, consideration, purchase, retention, and advocacy. An essential aspect of this phase involves keyword research, a critical exercise to discern what your customers are actively searching for. Utilize tools like Google AdWords Keyword Planner, which facilitates this process, aiding in identifying the key terms and phrases that align with your audience interests and online behavior. This is a comprehensive evaluation which not only informs your social media strategy but also positions you to leverage opportunities and address weaknesses effectively. The next one is develop a social brand story. Like every other facet of online promotion, the initiation of social media marketing commences with narrating your brand tale. In the digital era, social branding involves crafting a unique value proposition and a unique story proposition. It revolves around instigating a grassroots movements within your communities and constructing a lasting connection founded on trust and affability. To infuse a narrative to your brand, it's valuable to contemplate the following. The first one is, what principle and conviction does your brand uphold? Next one can be, how are your brand narratives conveyed in the online sphere? Third one could be, in what ways are your stakeholders, especially customers, engaged in your brand social narrative? And finally, you can also add and think upon it that how is your brand expressed through visually appealing brand images, profile descriptions, and cover photos optimized for social media platforms. So this way, you're going to develop a social brand story. Let's move on to the next step, which is selecting social media marketing channels. Choose a right social media marketing platform. This is a phase that demands decisive choices. Although each social platforms hold its own appeal, attempting to master all can lead to spreading efforts thin and mastering none. Consider these factors when determining the suitable social channels for your brand. The first one is Facebook. If I talk about Facebook, guys, this is the largest social network that is also highly competitive. Facebook ads often yield to positive ROI compared to other online advertising avenues. The next one can be Twitter. Characterized by its concise 144 character limit, tweets are now featured on Google search engine result page. Then you can have Instagram and Tumblr, which are popular light social networks, especially among teens and youths. Emphasis on visual content and pop culture. The next and the most famous one is YouTube. This is the second largest search engine. However, video production is resource intensive. If we talk about Pinterest, known as the social candy due to its preference for visually appealing designs and images, over the 2/3 of Pinterest users are female. Making informed decisions about the platforms aligning with your brand goals and target audience is very essential. Rather than trying to be present on every platform, focus on mastering the ones most relevant to your objectives and audience demographics. Now let's move on to the next one, which is social content creation and curation. After determining your social channel, the next step is crafting compelling social content. Embracing 80-20 rule in the content creation and integrating best practices in both written and visual content are key considerations. Here are certain crucial aspects to ponder upon. The first one is content creation techniques. Develop skills in writing, photography, videography, design, content production, and also ensure a harmonious blend of engaging and diverse content. The next one is content curation strategies. Employ effective methods to filter and curate relevant content suitable for sharing. Showcase a mix of original and curated content to keep your audience engaged. Third one is consistency and frequency. If I talk about consistency and frequency, it comes under the calendar development. Maintain a consistent and a regular schedule for your content production and distribution. For the same, you can choose a calendar development. Create content calendar outlining keywords, topics, and content types for distribution across various social channels. Plan and organize content to align with specific goals and strategies. By mastering the art of content creation and curation, you can effectively engage your audience and build a robust online presence. Establishing a content calendar helps maintain consistency, ensuring that your content aligns with your brand voices and also resonates with your target audience across different social media platforms. Let's move to the next one, which is evaluate and quantify the success. How you are going to measure and quantify your success. And what are the key metrics? The timeless saying is that you cannot manage what you don't measure, which holds particular relevance in the era of measurable marketing. In social media marketing, it's crucial to develop a comprehensive set of key performance indicators or KPIs to assess performance. These are certain key metrics which we have to discuss. And these encompass a variety of metrics. Let's discuss each one of them one by one. The first one is the brand awareness metrics. The reach, website visits, page views, fan growth, likes, and comment all come under this section. The next one is we have the conversion metrics. The sign up, on leads, memberships, trial purchases, and the actual purchases comes under this section. The next one is the engagement metrics. The comments, shares, retweets, downloads, and participations in contests come under this section. And finally, our social advertising metrics, which is cost per clicks, cost per acquisition, return on advertising spends, among others. By amalgamating these metrics, you can derive insights into your social media marketing into return on investment. The ability to quantify success through these indicators allows for informed decision making, enabling you to refine and optimize your social media strategy for better outcomes. Exploring social media marketing ROI can be very fruitful in evaluating and quantifying the success measures. So guys, in conclusion, effective social media marketing demands a strategic planning, consistent execution. From identifying challenges and setting clear goals to selecting platforms, creating engaging content, and measuring success through key performance indicators, each step is crucial. A thorough social media audit, aligning goals and audience understanding from the foundation. Selecting the right channels, mastering content creation, maintaining consistency are very pivotal. Measuring success through metrics allows for evaluating return on investment and refining strategies. In this dynamic landscape, adaptability, continuous improvement, and genuine audience engagement are essential for sustained success. By prioritizing authentic connection and staying attuned to trends, businesses can leverage social media to enhance brand presence and also foster lasting customer relationships. With that said, guys, that was it for all today's video. I hope so. You would have enjoyed our today's video on social media marketing roadmap.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.